Meetings are, more likely than not, boring. Nonetheless, it's important to cover governmental meetings like city councils and school boards because it's the journalist's job to be a watchdog for the people. The average citizen doesn't have the time or interest to attend most meetings until journalists tell them that something important is happening. Journalists explain what the issues are, how decisions are made, and what it all means for your readers. Step 1, no matter what you are covering, is to start with research. Now let's say you're going to cover the Durham City Council. You'll want to start by going to the city's website. And you're in luck. The Durham City Council has a fairly robust web presence, including member biographies, committee assignments, and community involvement. You'll also have meeting agendas and minutes, audio and video recordings of meetings and work sessions. Now, once you gather all of your research and attend your first meeting, your job is to clarify, condense, and concentrate. Meetings are boring, remember, but that doesn't mean your story has to be. Determine what the most important and relevant information is and present it in a way that shows its impact for your readers. Get to the meeting early. Introduce yourself to the participants. Get a good seat, but one that will allow you to exit quickly and quietly to talk to any speakers or spectators if necessary. Then stick around after the meeting to ask any follow-up questions and get reactions from the crowd. Finally, remember to focus on the issues, not the meetings themselves. It's not important that a specific board met, but what they talked about during the meeting. Personalize the meeting by writing about real people and real issues. Every meeting story should include the name of the group or agency meeting, the location and length of the meeting, any important decisions. Discuss significant votes that are taken or policies adopted, and again, what that means for your readers. Include quotes from officials, experts, or others who may have addressed the group. Reactions from speakers, spectators, and those impacted by the decisions, even if they weren't present at the actual meeting. Estimate the crowd size and the atmosphere. Was it friendly, rowdy, tense? Use graphics to better convey your message, like maps to show road closures, drawings of a new design proposal, or charts to help simplify budgets. Be sure to mention any unusual events or departures from the published agenda. And finally, tell your readers what happens next.